The Mosaic Chapel is essentially a framework for sharing ideas and making deeper connections. It entices people to contribute their own responses to prompts on colored note cards, which they then add to the walls of the chapel, literally building it together.
The Mosaic Chapel is a piece of art, but it's really not about the installation itself. It's about the connections that people using it create with one another. It's about contributing to it, connecting with others, reading others' responses, seeing who else is there, and creating a gathering place where folks can interact with each other in a deeper level.
You might answer a prompt that asks you to share a piece of advice, a best practice from something you've been doing at work that year. Because people, even once they have contributed their own cards, want to stand around and talk about it with others. They want to read through and have discussion and maybe argue a little bit. And that's what it's all about.
One of the things that we love about the Mosaic Chapel is that it is loud and bold and colorful and has a really big impact in the space that it occupies. But it's very lightweight, it's easy to assemble, it's easy to disassemble, and it's easy to ship. The Mosaic Chapel is just one of a bunch of installations that we have created to help people connect in a deeper way. And we also love to do custom builds. So if something like the Mosaic Chapel sounds good, please be in touch and we're happy to discuss any kind of project that you might be looking for.